Hello and welcome back to our channel MHT Makeup and Health Tips. The skin is the largest part of the body and needs care. Glowing skin is often considered a sign of good health and vitality. On the other hand, dull or dry skin can make you feel less energetic and tired. Here are some remedies and lifestyle changes you can incorporate into your at-home skincare routine to rejuvenate and enhance your natural beauty. Virgin coconut oil for naturally glowing skin. Coconut oil for the skin is known to reduce dark spots, reduce facial redness, and even out uneven skin tone. If your skin can use coconut oil without irritation, you can use coconut oil to do a few steps. Warm the oil slightly and apply a few drops on the face and neck, gently massaging the oil droplets with your fingers in a circular motion. You can also add some brown sugar to the oil and exfoliate your skin using this natural mixture once or twice a week. Use aloe vera to keep skin healthy. Aloe vera has healing properties and can stimulate the growth of new cells. It also works to soothe and moisturize without clogging pores. Applying aloe vera after washing your face every day can give you a healthy glow. Note that you may be allergic to aloe vera, so try it first by rubbing a small amount on your arm, and if there is no reaction after 24 hours, then it is safe to use. Gram flower for radiant skin. Gram flower, also known as bisan, is a popular ingredient in skincare routines, loved for its ability to promote glowing skin. For glowing skin, make a quick bisan face mask by mixing gram flower with milk to make a paste. Apply the paste to your face, leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse off with water. This simple remedy helps exfoliate dead skin cells and leaves your skin looking brighter and more radiant. Drinking water for naturally glowing skin. Drinking enough water daily is key to achieving naturally glowing skin. Hydration helps flush out toxins, keeping your skin clear and vibrant. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to maintain skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. It's a simple yet powerful way to promote a radiant complexion from within. In conclusion, radiant glowing skin is within reach for everyone. By staying hydrated, eating well, and following a simple skincare routine, you can enhance your natural beauty and achieve a complexion that radiates health and vitality. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to your regimen and embrace the journey to luminous skin. Here's to glowing from the inside out.